Thanks for staying with us here on the Midday News on TVC News. The federal government, in collaboration with private sectors, says it has provided solutions to trade barriers, e-commerce and daily hustle of small businesses trying to compete in the global economy. The main aims to ensure that Paystack, Messenger and Sendbox collaborate with the Nigerian Postal Service for effective service delivery going forward. Paystack is expected to provide a secure and seamless payment channel for customs duties, whilst Messenger will ensure parcels reach homes and offices with reliability and speed, and Sendbox to bring transparency through real-time tracking for customers to know exactly where the parcels are. The Postmaster General agrees that this initiative will help build an ecosystem that reduces friction, restore trust, and turn government into a platform for innovation.
This launch represents a solution very much at the heart of Mr. President's priorities for our digital economy, digital public infrastructure, and the like. This is a brilliant example of DPI at work, not as an idea, but as a living, breathing system. Paystack provides the secure and seamless payment channel for custom duties. Messenger ensures parcels reach homes and offices with reliability and speed. One Sendbox brings transparency through real-time tracking, so customers know exactly where their parcels are. Together, they have built an ecosystem that reduces friction, restores trust, and turns government into a platform for innovation. This is indeed a milestone to digitally enabled Nigeria.
Today, we are enabling a seamless system for international inbound items, one that simplifies customs payments, enables online transactions, and delivers parcels directly to your doorstep. We are solving a long-standing customer pain point, one that has been voiced repeatedly on social media, in post offices, and through customer feedback.
Now let's turn our attention to Ondo State, where stakeholders across the southwest have renewed calls for unity and cooperation among Yoruba leaders. They're urging politicians to put aside their differences and work together for regional growth and national development. Ayodeji Moradio reports from Akure.
It is the end of a two-day Southwest Citizen Government Engagement Summit held in Akure, the Ondo State capital, an event jointly organized by Afenifere and the Development Agenda for Western Nigeria Dawn Commission to deepen dialogue between citizens and their leaders. In a communique issued at the end of the summit, participants commended President Bola Tinubu's bold economic reforms, acknowledging the short-term hardship but describing the policies as vital steps toward long-term prosperity and stability. They, however, urged the federal government to intensify public enlightenment efforts to help citizens better understand and support its economic policies.
Our memory bank is full.
Notable Yoruba leader Ayo Ladigbolu emphasized the need for renewed unity and cooperation among Southwest states to fast-track development and strengthen regional integration.
I would like to thank our governors for their steadfastness, encouragement, and support for Dawn Commission, whose mandate is our regional integrated development. The Commission has gone a long way in its 12 years of existence.
The Minister of Solid Minerals Development, Dele Alake, also highlighted the ministry's achievement in the last 2 years and reiterated the administration's commitment to leveraging natural resources for economic growth.
Today, a mining company must sign a CDA, that's a Community Development Agreement, stating in clear terms how it intends to impact the development of the host community.
We need all 6 states, traditional institutions, the private sector, and civil society working together. This summit is our two hands coming together to lift the Southwest forward.
It's a level of collaboration, even with stakeholders, participants to different organizations.
For many of the speakers here, there is the need for governors in the Southwest region to work together as a team to bring rapid development to the region. Ayodeji Moradeyo, TVC News, Akure.
And still in Ondo State, the political landscape is witnessing a major shift as Kennedy Perete, the immediate past publicity secretary of the People's Democratic Party, leads a coalition of opposition figures and parties into the All Progressives Congress. Joining him are leaders from the Social Democratic Party and the Action Alliance, who were warmly received by the APC state chairman, Adetimei. Mr. Perete said the new entrants are eager to work with the ruling party for the benefit of the people, describing other opposition parties as mere social clubs without focus or strategy. He, however, clarified that he does not support a one-party system, but criticized current opposition leaders for the lack of organization and vision. State Chairman Adetimei welcomed the defectors, calling them the last remnants of the opposition and assuring them of equal rights and privileges within the APC.
We are seeing today, taking a clue from what Ambassador Cholaji said, and I've been saying this all along. Before you can be formidable in politics, you must be grounded in your unit, in your work. Ambassador Cholaji, who is a leader, he has tested to the capacity of Perete.
We have looked at it, we have summed it up, we have looked at all the factors surrounding everything in the political landscape, and we came to the final recognition that the best we can do in this circumstance was to what people call change codes. To change codes, leave the PDP, because like I said before, I said it was going to the mortuary, but now it has left the mortuary, is now in the cemetery. So there is no reason why somebody that is alive should be in the cemetery. So this is the basis for this narration.
I was very delighted, and I promised him that I'll be here in solidarity with him. And never again would he leave